Coming ready.
What's up, YouTube? I am VXMasterson.
I'm CaptainGX101.
And we are the Eyewitness Card Games News broadcaster people.
In 3D.
Apparently, it was just confirmed that in the Heroic Champion Excaliburton, Wind-Up Rabbit will be reprinted. What the fuck is wrong with you, Konami? Are you trying to make everyone make wind-ups? Watch.
No, they just want to keep Bunny in the
Watch, the next card's probably also going to be Wind-Ups and Mighty, and then the other 10, they're probably going to put more wind-up shit in it.
No, they put Hornet in it.
I would be okay with that.
I hope.
I'd be okay with that.
I want Hornet so badly.
I want it more. But,
And I want just a troll.
yeah, tell us what you think about this. 10 comes out, what's it called? August 14th. And that's when it becomes legal for tournaments and blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah. What the
Also,
fuck?
YouTube.
What?
If you guys have a D prison,
This has been Eyewitness Card
or
Games.
different villain.
This has been Eyewitness Card Games. I am VXMasterson, and that's CaptainGX. Goodbye.